Good morning, all of you. This is Darkness, sir. Welcome you all in our online lecture series of information system. Now today we are going to start with our unit number 2. As previously we have completed our unit number 1. And name of our second unit is the management information system. Okay. And today we are going to start with the first point of that unit, that is introduction to the management information system. All of you must mute your mics. I think getting noise from the Vaishali. Okay. So if you all have understood the first unit contents that we have discussed, then definitely this unit is there will be no problem in understanding the second unit. Because in the first unit, we have studied whatever the background we need to understand the information system. And in that also we have studied what are the different types of the information system. Okay. And if I ask you what are the different types of the information system? What are the different types of the information system? Yes. Anybody? What are the different types of the information system?
Transaction processing system.
Yes.
Management information system.
Very good.
Decision support system.
And
executive
information system. Okay.
System.
We have seen each of these information system are being utilized by the different peoples within a organization, and each of these information system are having their different role or the functionality. Okay, this part already we have studied. Now in that second kind of information system that we have studied, that was the MIS, management information system. And in the second unit we have the details related with the management information system. Okay, so if I ask you the management information system, who is using this mostly, who is using this information system? MIS. Which peoples within an organization utilizes the MIS?
Yes. Junior managers.
Means manager, junior manager, senior manager. These are all the peoples who are utilizing the management information system. That is the second type of the information system we have discussed. And in this unit, we have some details related to that kind of information system only. Okay. So here you can see the first point, this kind of information system, that is the management information system, these are being utilized to scrutinize the other information system. Okay, which other information system scrutinize, in the sense it used to process the information or whatever the data it used to get from the other information system. Now MIS get the information or the data from which information system? What is the input for the MIS? Okay, do you understand the question?
Transaction.
Yes, our first information system, whatever the first information system does, output of the first information system is nothing but the input of our second information system, that is the management information system. So that's why I have written here, MIS used to utilize to scrutinize other information system appear in the operational activities. We have studied the transaction processing system generally utilized to perform the various kind of operational activities. Operational activities like in the day by day, whatever the operations are being performed, like keeping the records of the different things like sales record, purchase record. This is the daily record. Okay, daily record keeping that we have seen in case of the transaction processing system. So whatever the processing being done by the TPS, transaction processing system, the output of TPS is being given to the MIS, and then MIS do its processing on that particular information and the data. Okay, and that is the reason this particular information system, that is the management information system, is one of the most important system in case of the all the information system that we have discussed. Like we have discussed the TPS, DSS and the EIS. Out of that, MIS used to be most important, and that's why here I have mentioned it is being commonly used to refer to the group of information management methods. Means it can also be what we can say a number of times. If we say the management information system, it also means it also doing the functionality of the DSS and the EIS. DSS stands for the decision support system and the executive information system. Understood? So academically here I have mentioned academically in the sense in general term. Okay, in the general term, if you say the MIS, then the meaning of that is nothing but it can also perform the functionality of other two important information system are like the DSS and the EIS. Okay, in short, MIS can perform the functionality that is being performed by the specific information system like the DSS and the EIS, and that's why commonly the MIS being referred as a combinedly related with the other information system like the DSS and the EIS. Okay. If you try to describe the MIS, generally it is being said, and it is being said like it is the combination of the technology with the business. Is it correct or not? MIS is being generally described as the combination of the technology with the business. What does it mean? What do you think about this statement? MIS is the combination of, or it combines the technology with the business. Yes. Means what? MIS combine the technology with the business. Yes, anybody? Suraj? Do you understand the question? Yes. What I asked, what do you mean by the MIS is nothing but the combination of technology with the business? Do you got the question or not? Yes. What do you mean by it? MIS combine the technology with the business. Means what? Or we can take it as a MIS is the combination of technology and the business. You can tell me whatever you are getting from this statement. Then we can discuss further. Tejas? Yes. Vaishali, what do you think about this? You must speak up, right or the wrong.
मी सर याच्यावरती म्हणजे तुम्ही जे मेन्शन केले द टर्म इज कॉमनली यूज टू रेफर टू द ग्रुप ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन मॅनेजमेंट मेथड्स टाईड टू द कम्प्युटरायझेशन ऑर सपोर्ट ऑफ ह्युमन डिसिजन मेकिंग त्या रिलेटेड असू शकतं. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये दोन्ही थिंग्स यूज केलेले आहे. म्हणजे ह्युमनचे डिसिजन मेकिंग जे असतं ते थिंग यूज केली आणि इन्फॉर्मेशन मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम यूज केलेली. सो ती टेक्नॉलॉजी आणि हा बिझनेस साठी आपण जे डिसिजन्स वगैरे घेतो लाईक ते सगळं ह्युमन सोर्स.
Means MI is nothing but the, when you are using some computerized information system, that is nothing but the technology, yes or no? If you are utilizing the computerized information system, it is the technology or not? Yes? Yes, computer, when you utilize the computerized information system, it's a technology. And when you are utilizing it in some business, then that is nothing but the MIS is nothing but the combining the technology with the business. Understood? Now, for what purpose it is utilized, that already number of times we have discussed, to get the people information they need to do their job better, faster, and the smarter. Yes or no? Can MIS make this all possible to perform the job of the employee to do it better, faster, and the smarter? Yes or no? As compared to the manual activities, using the MIS, we can perform the various tasks in the better way, in the faster way, and in the smarter way. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, what is meant by scrutinize?
What we have written here are used to scrutinize others. Scrutinize means it is used to process the information it is getting from the other information system that I told you. Now, MI is getting the information from which other information system? If you remember the hierarchy of the information system, what is the first information system? Type of the first information system?
ट्रान्झॅक्शन प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टीम.
ट्रान्झॅक्शन प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टीम. मग आपण बघितलं की ट्रान्झॅक्शन प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टीम इन्फॉर्मेशन कुणाला देते?
मॅनेजमेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम.
To its next information system, that is the MIS. And that's why here it is being said the MIS scrutinize the other information system. Here MIS scrutinize other information system in the sense MIS scrutinize the transaction processing system information. Got the point, Nirmal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the meaning of scrutinize. And that's why number of times we have discussed, instead of doing the number of things manually, if you utilize the information system, for example, like the MIS, number of things can be done in the better way, faster way, and the smarter way. Another important things being said regarding the MIS, or mainly the related to the management information system, is like MIS, the information is nothing but like the blood, and management information system is like the heart. Now, this is the very good relationship being, or what we can say, very in good manner, the relation is being told here. Okay. Like in our body, okay, the heart is doing the what kind of work? It is purifying the blood, yes or no, and sending the blood to the different organs of our body, correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In the similar way, in case of this information system as a management information system, MIS is nothing but the heart, and the information it gets is nothing but the like the blood. Understood? So continuous and smooth supply of blood to all the organs of the body, and also undertaking the function of purifying the impure blood. This is being done by our human being heart. In the similar way, MIS as a heart ensure that the data is received by the system is purified, and then it supply this data or the information to the all the departments within a organization. Understood? So it is the main component of any business or the organization. That is why it is being mentioned here. It is being act as a heart, just like in case of our human body. Okay, understood this relationship? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you try to categorize these MIS in the different terms, like if you try to separate out, you can separate out like it is the management plus information plus system. Is it like that? Yes or no? Management plus information plus system. Correct or not? That is the management information system. So we will discuss these terms one by one what exactly it means. For example, first one there is a management. Now tell me, what do you think about the management? What is mean by the term management? Yes, Nirmal.
Planning.
Planning. Okay. Then yes. Another. What do you think about the management? Now this is term already we have discussed. That's why I am asking this. Vaishali, what is mean by the management? Yes. Suraj. Vaishali. Yes, anybody can tell me. Until you will not speak anything right or the wrong, we can't go forward. Yes. What do you mean by the management? Hmm.
Management means people's work that manage that people,
Good, good.
controlling on the people, or
Very good.
any industrial then manage the raw material, or
Very good. Very good.
which material
Means
we have.
in short, can we say the management is nothing but effective utilization of the human मध्ये आता employee पण आले, other vendors are also there, suppliers are also there, everybody who are there like the human. So in short, we can say management is nothing but effective utilization of the human and other material resources. Or another we can make it more short. Management is nothing but effective utilization of the whatever resources available in the organization or in the enterprise. Okay, in better way we can say management is nothing but the effective utilization. Now in the effective utilization there are different terms comes. Which are that different terms are like these all 5 terms. Understood? So management is nothing but the effective utilization of the human and material resources to achieve the enterprise objective. Enterprise in the sense any business organization. Understood? So management generally covers these different kind of things, like it covers the planning, controlling, administration of the various operation being done within a business. And mainly management functions are totally consist of these 5 main categories. Okay. Now, 4 marks question being always asked, different functions being performed by the management. What is the management and different function being performed by the management? Okay, let's discuss this function one by one. First function is what? The planning. Okay. Now consider any business organization or the industry. Now planning means what in that kind of industry as a first function of the management? Yes. Yes. I want the answer from you. What do you think? Now, those people, those students are speaking, I used to keep their names in my mind. Definitely, what happened this, when we are giving any internal marks or other marks, definitely these students are used to get the more marks. And that time some students say, sir, why we get the less marks, that student get the more marks. The reason behind is like this. Understood? You should speak up. That is the main thing here. It might be right, it might be wrong. If you speak, then I can know what exactly you have understood. So it doesn't matter it is right or wrong. You must speak up. That is the main thing we are trying to achieve here. Yes, the first function being performed by the management, that is what? The planning. So yes, speak up. What do you mean by the planning in any industry or the business organization? Or you can take the example of our college or your department or your class only. Okay. When suppose your class has given one task that your class should conduct the upcoming what we can say the engineer's day or the teacher's day. Okay. Then what kind of planning will be there? What is the meaning of planning in organizing such event? Okay.
First of all, we decide the timing.
Timing. Okay. And consider you as a manager. Consider you as a manager. What kind of planning you need to do? You as a manager, in the
Assign
sense
the-
you are the coordinator of that event, for
Yes,
example. Yes.
मीन्स त्याच्यासाठी रिक्वायर्ड काय काय असेल
Yes. What will require?
त्यांच्यासाठी रिक्वायरमेंट काय काय असेल त्या फंक्शन साठी
Yes. Then.
फंक्शन
Taking permission.
त्या
Yes. One by one. Yes.
त्यानंतर प्रत्येक स्टुडंटसाठी वेगवेगळे असाइनमेंट द्यायच्या.
Means first thing the thing should be come in your mind is nothing but what? How to do this work? Yes or no? How to
Yes.
conduct this event? This is the first question, correct?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
when
Yes, sir.
to do this function, correct or not?
Yes.
Then who will do the main activity in this function, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Because if your class is conducting, somebody has to do the anchoring, somebody has to give the introduction, somebody has to give the vote of thanks, correct?
Yes.
Means
Yes.
same thing in case of the industry also. In the industry, not like the organizing event, but launching some new product, we can relate it like this, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing, deciding all these things is nothing but the planning, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So when to perform, when to start doing the work on this launching of the new product or production of the new product, how to do this, who will do this, deciding all about these things is nothing but, it is nothing but the functionality as a planning. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second important, organizing. Second important function is the organizing. Okay. Now you as a event manager, okay, how you will organize the things? Organizing is generally, in the technical term, it is referred as the relationship between the people and the whatever work has to be performed and whatever the resources are available to achieve some goal or to achieve some objective. Okay. Now in case of the organizing, here organizing is nothing but what? You need to assign the work to the different people. Got the point? Or can the single people do all the work?
No, sir.
No. So organizing is nothing but the management has to assign the different work to the different people. Correct. First point. And also management need to do what? Management need to give them the particular resources. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
To give them resources in the sense what?
Sir.
If in the company, the manager assigns some employee to perform or to code some module in the software industry, what the manager suppose give some job to the one employee, that is what, to code some module or to develop some software. The management or the manager has to give them the required resources. So in software industry, what can be the required resources? Can be a laptop, computer, required software tools, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So organizing is nothing but assigning the work to the different people in your industry and providing them the required resources. Got the second?
Yes, sir.
Function. Okay. Third one is the staffing. Third important function of the management. Staffing means what? What do you think? Staffing means what? Now staffing is
Giving
taken,
responsibilities.
yeah, that staffing is taken from the word staff. Correct. Now, if the management has to assign the work to the different employees, etc., etc., So they might be needing some more employee. It may or may not be, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They might be need more human resource, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the most important thing. That is nothing but what? Doing the recruitment of new employees if required, doing the selection of the employee, giving training to the employee. That is nothing but the called as what? The staffing. Understood? Got the third function, staffing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's related with the doing the new recruitment, and out of that doing the selection of the employee, and after selection giving the training to that employee, etc., etc. That is nothing but the staffing. Okay. Fourth, the most important is the directing. Now consider the three function as performed, like planning has done, assignment of the tasks or the work has done, recruitment has done if required, etc., etc. Now work has already started, correct? Now what does this mean? Directing.
Which work
Instructions
should be
देणे,
done
guide
when?
करणे.
One by one. Daima pile, yes.
Which work should be done first? Which work should be done next? Planning of that. Directing to the workers or staff.
Okay. Yes. Vaishali, what do you think? Vaishali?
गाईड जे असतात ते स्टाफिंग साठी ते गाईड करणे वगैरे त्यांना
Exactly,
इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स देणे
exactly.
त्यांच्याकडून वर्क करून घेणे ते
Very good. Yes. Anybody else want to say something?
प्रॉपर वर्क होतंय का नाही ते
Very-
चेक करायचं.
Very good. Very good. That is nothing but the directing. Now, if suppose planning has happened very good manner, organizing has happened very good manner, staffing has happened in the very good manner. If directing is not proper, means what? If the guidance is not proper, okay, as well as overviewing the performance of the employee is not proper, then is there any use of this all the three function?
No.
And that is the reason directing is the most important function in case of the function being performed by the management. Understood? So directing is nothing but like what we can say, the mechanism in which the manager give the instruction to the employee, guide the employee, and also time to time check the performance of the employee to achieve some goals. Understood the directing?
Yes.
Okay. And lastly is the coordination and the controlling. What do you mean by the coordination? Coordination. Yes. What do you think about the coordination?
मीन्स जे अदर पण जे डिपार्टमेंट आहे
Correct.
एकाच याच्यावर काम करताय आणि त्याचे
Okay.
आपण डिपार्टमेंट पाडलेले तर त्या
बरोबर.
डिपार्टमेंट मध्ये पण कोऑर्डिनेशन पाहिजे.
Means every person should help to other person who are working related with certain project. Understood? Every employee should share what difficulty they is coming there. So in short, everybody should work as a team. That is nothing but the meaning of coordination. Correct? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So that is nothing but this first component we have discussed now in this particular as we have divided this MIS into the three terms: management plus information plus system. So that is the management that we have discussed now. Okay. Now let's go to the information that already we have discussed. Information is nothing but the process form of the data. Understood? That is being utilized by the management for planning, controlling, and the operation, etc. And data is nothing but for unstructured raw fact or the unstructured raw observation, unevaluated messages, things. Data can be also referred as the fact, figures, etc. Okay, these terms already we have discussed. What is meant by the information, what is meant by the data. Here also I have shown you the example also. Okay, this is what. Can you tell me this is what? Anybody? You can tell me that this is some combination of
Data.
number and letters. This is the name of something. This is the combination of number and the letter. We cannot get anything specific from this, correct or not? Are we getting any meaning from this?
No, sir.
No, sir. But when it get processed, we are attaching some meaning to it, like salesman code. These are the salesman code. We are attaching some term to it, some meaning to it, like zone. So northeast are the zone. What is this? These are the item code. These are some numbers. What actually it is indicating? It indicating some sales record. So this is nothing but the transformation of data by doing its processing into the information. Got the second term?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And lastly, to do this processing, okay, to do this processing, what we need? We are going to need the system, correct? To do this processing, how this processing will be get done? With the help of some system, correct or not?
Yes.
And our system is nothing but what? It's made up of some inputs, processing units, output units, control, etc., etc. Understood? So system is nothing but our computer system on which you are installing that software of the information processing related. Understood? So system can be described as the orderly grouping of the independent components linked together according to plan to achieve some specific objectives. Understood? So this is nothing but the what you can say, the management information system. Okay. This discussion of all these three terms we have done here. Okay. Now let's come to the point of the evolution of the management information system. Evolution in the sense what? What do you mean by the evolution? Evolution means what?
Deep study.
Deep study. Okay.
History.
Yes. Vaidya.
History.
तेव्हा त्याचं केव्हा हे झालंय
History. वैशाली.
स्टार्ट केव्हा झालंय म्हणजे त्याचं?
म्हणजे मराठीत त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? उत्क्रांती. ओके.
नाही माहिती सर एवढं.
येस. मराठीमध्ये उत्क्रांती म्हणजे काय? बरं, मराठी वर्डचं मिनिंग सांगा मला.
सुरुवात.
सुरुवात. बर. निर्मिती की सुरुवात कुठून तरी झाली आणि आता त्याची पोझिशन काय? गॉट द पॉइंट. लाईक वी ॲज अ ह्युमन बिईंग who are our ancestor, evolution of the human being, who was our first ancestors? Monkeys. Very good. So we are calling the homo sapiens. From the homo sapiens up to the now the human being, that is the evolution of the human being. म्हणजे की सुरुवात कुठून झाली आणि आता त्याची पोझिशन काय? सो सिमिलर थिंग, इव्होल्युशन ऑफ द मॅनेजमेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम, की सुरुवातीला काय होतं आणि आता काय आहे. अंडरस्टूड? व्हॉट वॉज द इनिशियल स्टेटस अँड व्हॉट इज ऍक्च्युअली इन द टुडेज डेट, व्हॉट इज द सिच्युएशन. अंडरस्टूड? सो actually this particular management information system, the changes in the management information system has happened based on requirements of the certain industries or the business organization. As the requirements get increased in the similar way, the changes has happened into the management information system. Understood? So initially, here I have mentioned preliminary in the sense initially there was a manual MIS. What do you mean by the manual MIS? Manual MIS means what? Manual MIS.
Cost management system.
I'm asking, what do you mean the manual MIS? Manual म्हणजे काय?
Working practice.
Huh? Manual here is nothing but manual MIS is nothing but the traditional information system. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the traditional information system? Tell me, what is the traditional information system? Yes. Traditional info. Gayatri. Traditional information system and modern information system.
Means technology use नाही होत त्यामध्ये बिलकुल.
हा,
आपण
करेक्ट. मॅन्युअल मध्ये आपण काय की द कॉम्प्युटर वगैरे यूज होत नाही. Understood. That is nothing but the manual information system or the traditional information system. Understood. So preliminary or initially that kind of information system was there, where the manually the organization need to collect the data, okay, and present it in the form of the information, okay, by doing some manual processing on that particular data, okay. So also the reporting was also presented manually. Different kind of reports were also being presented or made manually, and only made available periodically, not the daily. What do you mean by it? Reporting was made and presented only periodically, not the daily. Means what? And why this is so? Okay, as I said initially, there was no computerized information system. Everything is being done manually. Understood? So if everything is being getting done manually, report तयार करण्यासाठी वेळ लागणार की नाही as compared with the computerized information system?
Yes.
Yes, and that's why the reports are made periodically and also being presented periodically. Means daily करणं हे शक्य होतं का? Every day? No, because it is taking too much of time, and that's why it is being mentioned here. In case of the initial information system or the manual information system, internal reporting was made manually and also presented periodically, not daily. Understood? And also, to separate out the data from large collection of the data, separating the data is nothing but the one of the part of the processing of data. So individual people's system was there initially. So because of that, the data separation process has to be done manually. So it has to be done by some individual people or the employee which is there. And this separation will be done according to the what requirements are there related with that particular processing of data and getting the information out of that data. Daima Payal, switch off your mic. Okay, so initially that we are discussing, the no computerized information system was there. So individual people has to do the separation of data manually as per the requirement and the necessity of the organization. So then as the time changes in the next stage, the what is being get done, whatever the data being get collected, okay, instead of collecting the unimportant data, only the step being taken was what? To collect only the some important and the pointed data. Okay, important and the pointed data, instead of collecting the huge amount of data, where in that data some of the data might not be useful. Understood? So this step we are taken, and later on it felt that how we can change the method of presenting the data. Presenting the data in the sense how we can present the data instead of presenting it in the like in the some Word format or the Excel format like that, instead of that, can we utilize some graph or the charts, this kind of things, to present the information or the to present the data? Now you tell me, what is the difference in presenting the information in the form of these words, big Excel files, and presenting the information in the form of some graph charts? What is the difference? Do you understand the question?
ग्राफ्स अँड चार्ट्स मध्ये जास्त इम्पॅक्ट पडतो,
Just the
म्हणजे
impact in the sense it
खूप
help
लगेच
to understanding
Decision
is
making साठी.
understanding is faster, correct?
Yes.
Decision,
Yes.
if the understanding is faster,
Yes, sir.
definitely whatever action has to be performed, that will be faster, and that's in the sense the decision making will also be the faster. Understood? So day by day, as the organization felt that after when there was the introduction of the computer, then they started working on this kind of information system, and then the computerized information system comes into the picture as compared with the manual information system. Understood? And from that period, the MIS has been evolved from the, like the transaction processing system was initially there, then the office automation system comes, then management information system comes, then the decision support support system, then the executive support system. So step by step from the period 1950, these changes has happened. Understood? And why the changes has happened? Because need of the industries or the need of the employee who are working in the industry, that get changed, and accordingly the historic development happens in the information system. For example, in case of the management information system. Understood the evolution? Yes. Shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the most asked question in the exam also after the functions of the management. That is the thing about various definitions of the MIS. Various, I am saying the various definition in the sense, meaning of that definition is the same, but different scientists has given their views, what they think about management information system. At the end, meaning of all the definition is same, okay, with some slight changes. But there is a popular words are being utilized related with the management information system. Okay, some popular terms are being utilized, like what? The MIS system. What exactly the MIS system is? What the MIS is the system which make available, what it make available? The right information to the right person at the right place at the right time in the right form at the right cost. Yes or no? All these terms already we have discussed in the various ways. Yes, I have written its short form and it is more understandable, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So MIS is nothing in short, getting the right information to the right people at the right place at the right time in the right form, in the sense in whatever the, in whichever the form it requires, and in right cost, in the sense की मॅनेजमेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम डेव्हलप करण्याची जी कॉस्ट आहे किंवा मेंटेनन्स करण्याची जी कॉस्ट आहे ती सुद्धा काय असली पाहिजे, रिझनेबल असायला पाहिजे. इट शुड नॉट बी टू मच. अंडरस्टूड? दॅट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ द ॲट द राईट कॉस्ट. ओके. So according to the different scientists, MIS has the following kind of different definitions. Okay. Now, according to the scientists Davis and the Olson, what it says, MIS is what? It is the integrated user machine system. What? It is the integrated user machine system providing information to support various kind of operation, to support the management, to support the decision making in the organization. So it is what? Integrated user machine म्हणजे काय? It is a combination of human and the machine. Yes or no? Integrated, yes, in the sense what? It is the combination of that point we have discussed, combination of the business and the technology. Same term is being written here in the different words. The meaning is same. And for what purpose? To support by providing the information, to support the various kind of operation, to support various kind of management and decision making function. Okay. And this machine system utilizes, this machine system is nothing but the various computer hardware, software, procedure for doing the analysis, procedure for doing the planning, controlling, and the decision making. Okay, so this is the view of the scientists Davis and the Olson regarding the management information system. Now, what another scientist, the Kelly, says, as I told, all the definitions meaning is same, only they have described it in the different words. What the Kelly said, it is a combination of an human computer based resource. Is it same or not?
Same.
Same, only the terms are changed. It is a combination of the human and computer based resources which is utilized for doing the collection, storage, retrieval, distribution and use of information for the purpose of efficient management of the operation and for the purpose of business planning. It is same, only the some terms are changed. What another scientist Lucy is saying, what Lucy is saying, it is what? It is a MIC is the system which converting internal and external sources of data into the information. What the Lucy is saying, MIC is nothing but what the system which converting what? Internal data, in the sense data which is being collected from within the organization. Okay, that internal data can be a sales record, purchase record, etc., whatever it may be. External sources, in the sense data being collected from the external sources, in the sense data being collected from the outside the organization, that may be from the market, you can say. Understood? And for what purpose this conversion is being getting done? For the purpose to communicate that information in appropriate form to all to different manager levels in all function, like making timely effective decision for planning, directing, controlling activities which they are responsible. This is also the same, only being put into the in another language. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And lastly, the Krober and the Watson. Krober and Watson says what? They have defined the MIS like what? Krober and Watson have defined the MIS as an organized set of processes that provide information to the manager to support the operations and decision making within a organization. Now, this organized set of process means what? Can anybody tell me? MIS is the organized set of process means what? या ऑर्गनाइज सेट ऑफ प्रोसेस मध्ये काय येईल? लास्ट डेफिनेशन. Krober and Watson define MIS as the organized set of process. What does it mean by the organized set of process? Yes, Vaishali? Yes, anybody? What do you mean by the organized set of process? Mansi? What is meant by the organized set of processes?
Means काही प्रोसेस थ्रू ते
Here the organized set of process म्हणजे काय की कशाच्या आधारे हे सगळं करणार आहेत ते, ही इन्फॉर्मेशन कशाच्या आधारे they are going to create this information and provide it to the manager or to the different kind of employee. So their organized set of process is nothing but what? Organized set of process is nothing but what? Combination of human and the technology, or combination of the business and the technology. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you can able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what the Krober and Watson has defined the MIS, it is simply the organized set of process. आता organized set of process मध्ये काय येणार? Human and the computer, or business and the technology. Same terms, but it is being referred here only by the some different terms. Okay. It has been put in some different form or it in the some kind of different language, but the meaning of all this definition is the same. Understood, all of you?
Yes.
And this is the whatever things we have up till discussed. This is being, you can take it as an architecture of the MIS. See what is being shown here. Some data is being provided to the MIS. Now what exactly MIS can be it is nothing but the human beings computer processing logic, म्हणजे इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम तयार करण्यासाठी लागणारा कोड आणि तुमची डेटा प्रोसेसिंग करण्यासाठी लागणारा कोड, that is nothing but the processing logic and the database etc. Correct or not? Okay, data is being provided to the MIS. Okay, and MIS giving the output you like what? It is giving the output like different kind of decision making support information, and from that decision is being made and then implementation of decision, and after making the implementation of decision, what is the result of that decision? That is nothing but what? Performance. Correct? Got this point? Or shall I repeat this? Yes. Okay, whatever things we have discussed, it is being just put in the diagrammatic form. Correct? Correct or not? In which way it is being put in the, like as we have said, MIS getting the input in the form of some data, and MIS is like this. Okay, it is the combination of the computer and the human and the technology, like in the technology, computers, human beings. Okay, processing logic, etc., etc. After processing, what we are getting? Yes, after processing, what we are getting?
Output.
Output, that is what? Information. Correct. From that information, what can be done? Decision making, various kind of judgment. You can get various kind of experience from that. And so decision making is done, correct? In short.
Yes.
After decision is made, implementation of that decision.
Yes.
डिसिजन इम्प्लिमेंट केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काहीतरी त्याचं परफॉर्मन्स रिलेटेड पॅरामीटर्स लक्षात येतील की तुमच्या डिसिजनचे परिणाम चांगले झाले का वाईट झाले. करेक्ट ऑर नॉट?
Yes.
That is the performance. Correct?
Yes.
Result of decision implementation is the performance, and performance related, whether performance is good or not, that feedback can also be sent to the MIS. That is nothing but here you can see monitoring and monitoring or doing the analysis of feedback related with what is the result of the decision being made with the help of the information system. All of you must utilize this diagram while explaining the concept of the management information system. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
that's it from the today's session. In the next session also we discuss on some other things related with the management information system. Okay, I hope all of you got the today's session. If some doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.